Undefeated welterweight boxer Arnold Barboza Jr., 7 wins, no losses, 2 KOs. Having already fought 3 times in 2015, and now as a newly signed top-ranked boxing fighter, Arnold, congratulations on your new signing. Talk about your upcoming fight on July 25th.
Well, I'm very blessed. I'm fighting July 25th in Glendale, California. My first fight officially under Top Rank. Very excited and very blessed.
How do you think your career, boxing career is going so far?
So far, so good. 7-0. I'm pretty sure we haven't lost a round, so we're very blessed. Keep working hard and see where we go.
Okay. What has been your most rewarding win up to date?
I'd say my last fight. It was a very tough fight. Opponent came in 10 pounds overweight. So we took it. We're not scared of anybody. We're ready to fight anybody.
Pretty much fighting a middleweight guy, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
You have previously fought on top-ranked boxing cards. Did you know you were fighting signing with them soon?
We had a good feeling. They just kept telling us keep fighting, keep impressing us. After every fight, they kept saying they were impressed. So we just kept going. Been patient, and now here we come.
How does it feel being a top-ranked fighter now?
Man, it's a dream come true. Really, when I was little, I've always wanted to be part of that promotion. It's the best promotion in the game.
You've been sparring here at the Who's Next Boxing Academy in City of Industry, California. What are some of the things you've been working on with trainers Jesus Lopez Sr. and his son Jesus Lopez Jr.?
Well, we've been working a lot of speed, a lot of power, speed and power. Trying to have both. A lot of footwork, and and just a little bit of everything to be balanced.
Which venue have you received the most support from your fans? Glendale Civic Auditorium or Farrington Gardens in Hollywood?
I say they're both even, man. My fans come out with me wherever I go. They go to, wherever we go, they go.
Right. Any messages to the fight fans?
I just want to let you guys know I'm Arnold Barboza Jr., top-ranked fighter in the welterweight. We're ready to come. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for anybody. We're ready to go.
Okay. Thank you for your time, Arnold. We'll be hearing a lot from you from now on. Much success in your boxing career.
Thank you.
All right.